Greetings, Watagwan. For returnees, welcome back. For newbies, welcome. In today's vlog, I'll be reviewing tights received from Rachel, a Canadian-based tights and hosiery company. So let's see what's in the package, which is recyclable, by the way. So cute. Thank you. Merci. So Rachel is a subscription-based hosiery company. Like I said, they're based in Canada, designed products from Italy. Materials from Italy. Ooh. Like I said, subscription box, you get 2 tights. Go ahead and put this on. I also got a little cute package. Let's see if you can get into that. How cute is that? And roll up my tights and put that in there. A little travel bag for your tights. These are so cute. I love the quality. Like I said, the material is from Italy and they don't skimp on quality. Put my hands in there so you can see. These are over the knee tights. How cute. How cute. Nice little cute. Look at that. How thick. Oh, look at that. Like I said, they're like socks over the knee. How cute. So yeah, even over the knee ones. This next pair are over the knee striped polka dot tights. And I'm going to try them on just to show you how easy they are to put on. Ooh, and they feel like butter. So smooth. So cute. I know I'm using the word cute like a gazillion times, but they're cute. And again, this is a subscription box, and included in my description, you'll find a link for 50% off your first box. Here we are on the From Rachel website. I'm going to show you how easy it is to maneuver. Options: shop, subscribe, gift, blog, sustainability, search, all your options, account, get styled, you fill out the profiles, real easy to maneuver. Well, we're here to subscribe. Click on subscribe, and here we go. You get 2 pairs of tights for $25. You get to choose your styles and reasons to subscribe. Save big, have fun, don't stress, and be in control. And you have the options of going every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, which is what I do. You can put the option on pause or even fast forward or even skip. Okay, so it's all up to you. You're in control. I can't say enough good things about From Rachel. Give it a try. Till next time, walk good.